Ever wondered why some guys seem to go all night long while others struggle with finishing too quickly? It's a super common concern. It can be frustrating and impact your confidence. But here's the good news. Lasting longer in bed isn't some superpower. What if I told you that lasting longer isn't just about willpower? It's a complex scientific process involving your brain, hormones, muscle control, and even your stress levels. It's about understanding the science behind it. In this video, we're diving deep into the science of lasting longer and giving you practical, actionable tips you can start using right away. Alright, so let's break it down. Ejaculation. It's a reflex involving your brain, hormones, nerves, and muscles. Think of it like a chain reaction. First, you've got the buildup of excitement, your brain releasing dopamine. Your sympathetic nervous system sends signals to your prostate, seminal vesicles, and vas deferens to mix sperm with fluids. This stage is called the emission or pre-ejaculation phase. The final trigger for ejaculation involves your pelvic floor muscles. When those muscles contract, it sets off the ejaculation reflex. So if you want to last longer, you need to control this chain reaction. That means managing your excitement levels, tapping into your parasympathetic nervous system, and strengthening your pelvic floor muscles. We're going to talk about specific techniques for all of this in just a bit. Premature ejaculation, or PE, is incredibly common. Premature ejaculation is when you climax too quickly, often within 1 to 2 minutes of penetration. It's estimated that up to 30% of men experience it at some point in their lives. Have you ever wondered if you could actually control that moment and extend your performance in bed? So, what causes some guys to finish faster than they want to? It's often a combination of factors. Let's start with the biological stuff. Some guys have an overactive sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response. This can lead to a much faster ramp up to climax. Then there's brain chemistry. We already talked about dopamine, the pleasure chemical. Well, there's another key player called serotonin. Dopamine fuels excitement while serotonin helps delay climax. Serotonin acts like a braking system for ejaculation. Guys with lower levels of serotonin tend to climax faster. Sensitivity is another big one. The penis is loaded with nerve endings, and some guys are just naturally more sensitive. This can make them more prone to rapid climax. And then there are the pelvic floor muscles themselves. If these muscles are weak or too tense, it can affect your ability to control ejaculation. Beyond the physical stuff, there are often psychological factors at play too. Performance anxiety is a huge one. Stress and nervousness can elevate cortisol, which interferes with arousal control. Without learning proper ejaculatory control, early climax habits can form. Could a mix of stress and biology be why you struggle to hold off when it matters most? The good news is that whether your PE is primarily biological, psychological, or a bit of both, there are proven strategies that can help you gain control and last longer. Let's talk about what you can actually do to last longer in bed. And remember, consistency is key with all of these techniques. To extend your performance, you need to target key areas: nervous system control, muscle strength, and hormonal balance. First up, nervous system control. The sympathetic nervous system speeds up ejaculation, while the parasympathetic nervous system helps delay it. We want to shift gears into the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. How do we do that? Deep breathing. It sounds simple, but it works. What if mastering your breathing could be the secret weapon to lasting longer? When you breathe deeply, you slow down your heart rate and lower your blood pressure. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. Mindfulness is another powerful tool. Practicing mindfulness during sex can lower anxiety and delay climax. Instead of getting lost in your head, focus on the sensations of the moment. Being present helps to quiet the anxious thoughts that can lead to premature ejaculation. Did you know that even a short daily meditation session can rewire your nervous system for better control? Next up, strengthening your pelvic floor muscles. The pubococcygeus muscles control ejaculation and bladder function. Stronger pelvic muscles mean better control. The exercise is called Kegels, and it's super simple. To find the right muscles, try stopping your urine midstream. Contract those muscles for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat that 10 to 15 times, a few times a day. You can do these anywhere, at your desk, in the car, even while you're watching TV. Could a few simple exercises be the key to turning your bedroom performance around? A study found that Kegel exercises improve sexual stamina in 82% of men. Now, let's talk about optimizing your brain chemistry. A higher serotonin level is associated with longer sexual performance. Men with low serotonin levels tend to climax faster. We want to boost serotonin levels naturally. Exercise is a great way to do that. So is a diet rich in tryptophan, found in foods like turkey, salmon, eggs, and nuts. Managing stress through meditation and deep breathing can also help. SSRI medications are sometimes used to delay ejaculation because they increase serotonin activity. Imagine if you could achieve that naturally. What if tweaking your diet and workout routine could change your sexual performance without any drugs? Now, let's get into some specific techniques you can use during sex. The stop-start method is a classic. As you're getting close to climax, stop all stimulation. Wait for the feeling to subside, then start again. Over time, this rewires your body to delay ejaculation. This helps you build up your endurance and teaches you to control the ejaculatory reflex. Another technique is the squeeze technique. Just before you feel like you're about to climax, gently squeeze the base of your penis. This reduces blood flow and can help delay ejaculation. Men who consistently practice these techniques often gain significant control over their climax. Could you master your body's response by simply learning to pause at just the right moment? Finally, let's talk about desensitization. Thicker condoms can help to reduce stimulation. There are also numbing sprays or creams available over the counter that contain lidocaine or prelocaine. One study found that using a delay spray increased sexual duration from 1 minute to over 5 minutes. Masturbation before sex can help reduce sensitivity if done about an hour beforehand. Would you consider trying a simple technique like this if it meant lasting longer in bed? These can help to temporarily desensitize the penis, allowing you to last longer. Now let's discuss how you can optimize sex hormones. Testosterone plays a crucial role in sexual function, influencing libido, stamina, and ejaculatory control. Balanced testosterone levels enhance endurance and overall sexual performance, but excessively high levels can increase sensitivity, potentially leading to quicker ejaculation. Maintaining hormonal balance is key to sustaining optimal function without overstimulation. Nutritional support is essential for hormone regulation. Zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium contribute to healthy testosterone production and neuromuscular function, aiding in better ejaculatory control. Deficiencies in these nutrients can disrupt hormone levels and reduce performance. Avoiding excessive porn use is another critical factor in maintaining sensitivity and control. Frequent exposure to overstimulating content can desensitize the brain's reward system, making real-world intimacy feel less stimulating. This can lead to difficulties with arousal, delayed gratification, or performance anxiety. By limiting artificial stimulation and prioritizing real-life connections, individuals can restore their natural response to intimacy and improve sexual health. Men with optimal testosterone and higher serotonin levels tend to have better sexual endurance. Are you taking care of your hormonal health as much as you train your muscles? Finally, some lifestyle habits for better stamina. Improving stamina requires a combination of exercise, nutrition, and proper recovery, all of which contribute to better circulation, hormonal balance, and endurance. Regular cardiovascular exercise enhances blood flow, which is crucial for maintaining erection quality and sustaining performance. Activities like running, swimming, and cycling strengthen the heart and improve vascular health, reducing the risk of erectile dysfunction. Strength training and HIIT workouts play a key role in boosting testosterone levels, which directly impacts libido, stamina, and overall energy. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups improve muscular endurance, while high-intensity interval training helps build resilience against fatigue. A healthy diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lean proteins, and whole grains supports sustained energy levels and hormonal balance. Omega-3s, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, improve circulation. Lean proteins, chicken, eggs, legumes, aid in muscle recovery, and whole grains provide lasting energy by stabilizing blood sugar. Deep sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night, is essential for testosterone production, cognitive function, and physical recovery. Sleep deprivation disrupts hormone levels, reduces energy, and negatively affects sexual performance. Men who sleep less than 6 hours per night have lower libido and higher risk of ED. Prioritizing consistent, high-quality sleep helps maintain stamina, endurance, and overall well-being. What changes in your daily routine could transform your stamina in the bedroom? So, there you have it. The science behind lasting longer, the common causes of premature ejaculation, and a whole toolkit of strategies you can start using right away. Remember, lasting longer is a skill you can learn and improve over time with the right techniques and a little bit of patience. It's not about sheer willpower. It's about training your body and mind with science-backed strategies to maximize control, endurance, and confidence. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Talk to your partner. Talk to your doctor. There's no shame in seeking help. You deserve to enjoy a fulfilling and confident sex life. What's stopping you from mastering your body's responses and unlocking a whole new level of sexual performance? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's push our limits together. See you next time. Keep watching MedGroww and take care of yourself.